If you're a guy trying to upgrade your bedroom from basic to stylish without going broke, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to design a solid masculine bedroom for under $200, no cap. We're talking affordable tips for your bed, storage, and decor that'll make your room look like you actually have your life together. Especially if you're done with that mattress on the floor vibe and want a room that reflects your style, stick around. Planning for success. All right, let's get real for a second. Most of us have bedrooms with a random mix of hand-me-downs, garage sale treasures, and odd items we picked up because they were cheap. That's why it often feels less like a haven and more like a storage room. Today, we're changing that. Starting with the basics, setting a budget. In this case, $200. So let me be clear, if you're expecting a full HGTV renovation, adjust those expectations a bit. But don't worry, we can still pull off a room that doesn't scream college dorm vibes. It might seem like a tight budget, and I know, sounds impossible, but just trust me on this. Before you grab your wallet, have a clear vision of what you want. Masculine can mean different things: contemporary and modern, vintage and rustic, minimal or industrial. Don't know where to start? Check out Pinterest, Instagram, or even TikTok for a quick inspo. Having a clear picture helps avoid impulse buys that don't match the overall aesthetic. Wondering how we're going to make all this happen? Well, here's the game plan. Making the most of your space. Regardless of your room size, layout is the key. Make sure your bed, desk, and other essentials aren't just floating randomly like glitching NPCs in a game. Map out your space into zones for sleeping, studying, working, or just chilling out. Start with the bed. It's the biggest piece of furniture, so it should anchor the room. If it's awkwardly floating in the middle, try pushing it against a wall or into a corner to create more floor space. For tight spaces, consider a loft bed to free up area for a desk or a chill spot underneath. And seriously, no one should be tripping over your laundry on the way to the desk. You should already be past that stage. Stick to a more clear-cut, linear, and geometric layout to maximize space, and your room will instantly feel bigger and more put together. Less is more. Declutter like a pro. Ditch the chaos and keep the cool stuff. It's time to face the clutter. Yeah, all those random cords, mismatched socks, and questionable takeout containers must go. Decluttering isn't about tossing everything out, it's about keeping what fits the vibe. Instead of buying new stuff, see if you can upcycle or repurpose what you already have. That old wooden crate, flip it on its side, and it's a rustic nightstand. Got leftover plywood or pallets? Sand them down, give them a coat of paint, and boom. Instant shelving. If you have a mirror with a dated frame, a quick coat of matte black spray paint can make it look modern. Instead of expensive wall art, print out some monochromatic photos or cool graphic posters online. Grab some cheap yet classy frames from a dollar store and create a gallery wall. Thrift stores are gold mines for stuff like lamps, side tables, and picture frames. A quick DIY touch can make them look custom-made. Even your unused t-shirts can become pillow covers if you're feeling crafty. Decluttering is the reset button you need before bringing in new, intentional pieces. Sounds like a lot of work. Well, it's low-key therapeutic, and the payoff is worth it. Plus, stick around because I've got some storage hacks coming up. Setting the vibe. If you can paint, go for dark. Rich colors like navy, charcoal, or forest green. These shades give off a grown man vibe without making your room feel like a cave. According to color theory, darker tones create a sense of intimacy and sophistication while maintaining a calming atmosphere. Studies published in Color Research and Application suggest that deep blues reduce stress, while greens promote tranquility. Can't paint? Peel and stick wallpaper and wall decals are budget-friendly, removable, and quickly found on Amazon or Wayfair. Add texture with a throw blanket or a rug. If your idea of textured is that one wrinkled shirt on your floor, it's time to step it up. Textures add depth, keeping your room from feeling flat. According to the Spruce, textured elements make spaces feel more inviting and cozy. Wait for the next part to see how lighting can completely change the game. Setting the mood. It's time to get rid of that single, sad, overhead bulb. Layer your lighting. Warm, soft lighting makes your room inviting, unlike an interrogation room. Make the most of natural light first, open up those blinds, or swap out heavy curtains for lighter ones that let in more sunlight. Natural light instantly makes your space feel bigger. If your window placement isn't great, strategically placing a mirror across from it can help reflect and amplify the light. If you're on a budget, you can snag floor lamps from IKEA for around $30, or Amazon for bedside lamps under $25. LED strips can add a subtle, modern feel if placed behind your desk or bed frame. Go for dimmable bulbs so you can adjust the ambience for working, relaxing, or, date nights. And no, your RGB gaming setup doesn't count as mood lighting, it's just a flex. Now that you know how much lighting can level up your space, there's still one thing most guys overlook, something your eyes can't see. Believe me, you don't want to skip this. The secret weapon. Nobody likes walking into a room that smells like gym socks and stale pizza. Scents do more than just cover up odors, they elevate the ambience. Studies show that pleasant scents can boost mood, reduce stress, and even influence how others perceive you. Research from Frontiers in Psychology cites that certain scents can trigger positive emotional responses and enhance well-being. Candles, essential oil diffusers, or air purifiers help keep things fresh. Go for scent profiles like cedarwood, sandalwood, lavender, or vanilla for a grounded, mature feel, and for their universally appealing masculine notes. And here's the thing, scent is one of the first things people notice when they walk into your room, even before they take in the visuals. Imagine someone steps in and immediately compliments how fresh and inviting it smells. Suddenly, you're not just the guy with a decent-looking room. You're the guy with a whole atmosphere. Just keep it subtle. Avoid overpowering artificial scents, and no need to make it smell like a cologne shop. Keep it tidy. Messy spaces kill the whole aesthetic, so getting organized with proper storage is a must. As guys, we often have a lot of tech gear like computers, gaming consoles, cameras, and more. All those wires can easily make your space look chaotic. Utilize your vertical spaces with wall shelves, hooks, and hanging organizers to keep your stuff off the floor. Floating shelves from Amazon start at around $20, and over the door, hooks are super affordable too. If your closet is lacking, modular clothing racks like IKEA's Mulig rack, about $15, can hold clothes and still look stylish. When it comes to wire management, nothing ruins the look faster than tangled cables. Get cable clips or a cord management box for $10 to $15 online. Group your wires and secure them along furniture edges or behind your desk. Stick to neutral-toned storage bins. Target and Home Goods have stylish masculine options, so no need to rely on those neon plastic crates. Keep your tech neat and your essentials organized, and your room will look structured and mature. All right, now for the fun part, the finishing touches that make this room you. Making it yours. Never miss the most important detail, and that is you. Your room should reflect your personality, not just a typical look from a magazine. Wall art is a great starting point. Skip the generic "just do it" posters and find artwork or framed prints that resonate with you. Websites like Etsy or Society6 have unique, budget-friendly prints starting at $10 to $20. Showcase your hobbies and integrate them into your decor. Hang your guitar and display your favorite vinyls and sports gear on floating shelves. And plants? If you can handle real ones, great. If not, Faux plants are a low-maintenance option that still adds life to the room. Ultimately, your bedroom should be a place where you can relax, recharge, and confidently bring in friends, family, or a partner who you want to impress. Stay true to yourself and your budget. It's easy to get caught up in trends, but your room should represent your style, not just what's trending online. When done right, your space becomes an extension of you. Making it happen. Here's a quick budget breakdown. By focusing on smart buys, a bit of DIY, and repurposing what you already have, you can completely transform your space into something that's stylish, functional, and uniquely you. Remember, this isn't just about making the place look good. It's about feeling good in your own space. Creating a room that feels intentional and grown-up can motivate you to keep it clean, organized, and a place you're proud to show off. Just stay within your budget and keep it authentic, while making it welcoming to anyone who steps in. Why wait to upgrade your space when you can do it now, on a budget, and make it truly yours? If this got you fired up, wait till you see the next video. It's only getting better.